Here I have ZTE Blade 10 Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to enable test mode on this device. So if you want to enter this mode, what you will have to do is to firstly open your phone application, then open keyboard on it and enter the secret code, which is asterisk and 983 asterisk sec 673636 pound. This code will enable the E mode, which is basically just a test mode on this device, and then to enter this mode you will have to enter the code to asterisk 983 asterisk 0 pound, and that's how you enter test mode. So here you can test different features of your device. For example, you can test your vibrator, you can test your ringtone, you can test colors of your device here, and any other features like camera, fingerprint, GPS, sensor, and other features. It's yours to choose. So, and by entering code asterisk 983 asterisk 2567336 pounds, you can disable this test mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.